Good morning, students. Yes, in the classification of ratios, the third category, that is activity or turnover ratios. In this activity ratios, the next ratio is working capital turnover ratio. After the trade payable turnover ratio, now today we are starting working capital turnover ratio. Working capital turnover ratio. Working capital turnover ratio equals to net revenue from operations, means net sales, net revenue from operations upon working capital. Yes, net revenue from operations means net sales, and working capital, how we find working capital? The formula for finding working capital is current assets minus current liabilities. And now open question 84, page 5.141. Question 84, page 5.141. Now in this question, current assets are given 8,60,000, current liabilities are given 3,40,000, cost of revenue from operation is 20 lakh, gross profit it is given 30% of cost, means cost of revenue from operations. Yes, first of all we have to find net sales, means revenue from operations, net revenue from operations. Cost of revenue from operation is rupees 20 lakh given in question, and gross profit it is 30% of cost. So gross profit equals to 30 upon 100 into 20 lakh, will get rupees 6 lakh. So revenue from operation equals to cost of revenue from operation plus gross profit, means cost of revenue it is 20 lakh. Now add this 6 lakh gross profit, then we will get sales, means revenue from operation. Revenue from operations equals to rupees 26 lakh. कॉस्ट हमें 20 लाख 20 लाख गिवन है, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 6 लाख निकला, दोनों को प्लस करेंगे तो रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन 26 लाख, यानी कि नेट सेल्स आ गई 26 लाख. नाउ सी हाउ टू फाइंड वर्किंग कैपिटल. वर्किंग कैपिटल इक्वल्स टू current assets minus current liabilities. Current assets are given rupees 8,60,000 and current liabilities, these are given rupees 3,40,000. In this way we will get 5,20,000 rupees. So working capital is rupees 5,20,000. Now at the last, how to find working capital turnover ratio? Again, working capital turnover ratio equals to net RFO, revenue from operation, upon working capital. Net RFO it is 26 lakh, net sales 26 lakh, and revenue from operation is 5,20,000. In this way we will get 5 times. Working capital turnover ratio is 5 times of the, in this way this is working capital turnover ratio, we can find it, and Next ratio are profitability ratios or income ratios. That will be continue tomorrow. So that's all for today. It's all.